Many of you have seen me refurbish my raised beds using my kids' PT Flyer wagon to haul soil around. Well, those days are over, and I'm going to show you today my wagon's new replacement. So here is my grandkids' PT Flyer, and if you're my age, then this should be nostalgic, but it is not equipped or designed to be hauling anything here on the homestead. I started using that as a replacement for my Gorilla wagon. The Gorilla wagon was doing good until three of the four wheels got cuts in them, and there's no way that I know of repairing them or nowhere locally to swap them out. What if you could move bags of soil, firewood, plants, mulch, tools, branches, or any other heavy materials around the garden without having to make trip after trip after trip? Well, this is my new steel garden cart, and it's rated to hold up to 1,000 pounds. Now, I don't honestly believe I'm going to be hauling around that much here around the homestead, but it's nice to know that I have the capability with this new cart to be able to do so. We're going to unbox it, assemble it, and see what we have. After unboxing, this is all the parts that we have. And closest to you, you have the frame. Up to the left, you have the front and back gates. Next to that, you have the side panels. Next to that, you have your four tires, your handle, and your axles for the tires. And it also came along with hardware and instructions. So we're going to go ahead and assemble this through time lapse and come back. We have the wheels connected to the frame, and we have the handle connected as well. And all we need to do is to put on the side rails and the front and back rails. So here we go, and we have the wagon put together, and it looks pretty sturdy, if I must say so myself. It has nice fat tires. It is recommended before using to check the air pressure and add more air. So before I get ready to haul anything, I'll do that. I like the fact that the front and the back gates can come down where I can just lay stuff flat in here, or I can leave the gates up. Very, very sturdy and built strongly. I'm really going to like it, and I think that this is an upgrade over the one that I was using, and definitely the PT Flyer. After looking at the construction, the tires, the removable sides, the capacity, and the overall versatility, I think that the Etoolab Steel Garden Cart has a lot going for it. The combination of the steel frame, large pneumatic tires, removable mesh sides, and a high weight rating makes this much more than just a basic garden wagon. And I can't wait to use it. But here's the real test. Does it make the garden work easier? In my opinion, I believe it will do so. It will make it a whole lot easier hauling dirt around and here as opposed to my grandkids' PT Flyer or my other wagon, which has 3 punctured tires. So overall, we'll give this one an A+. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, consider subscribing to Urban Backyard Container Gardening for more gardening, cooking, simple living, homesteading, and product reviews. Let me know down in the comments, what would you haul with a 1,000-pound garden cart? Soil, mulch, firewood, plants, or something completely different? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep growing, keep learning, and keep it simple.